carelessly to thread. I overheard a fair young maid in sorrow did complain, all of her absent lover who plowed the raging main. I boldly stepped up to her and gave her a surprise. I knew she did not know me, for I being in disguise. I said, my charming creature, my heart and joyous delight, how far do you mean to wander this dark and dreary night? Kind sir, the way to Claudy, if you will please to show, oh, take pity on a fair maid that knows not where to go. I come on the search of a faithless young man, and Johnny is his name, and all on the banks of Claudy I am told he does remain. This is the banks of Claudy, fair maid, whereon you stand. Ah, but don't depend on Johnny, for he's a false young man. Oh, don't depend on Johnny, for he'll not meet you here, but tarry with me in yon green woods, no danger need you fear. Oh, if Johnny was here this night, he'd keep me from all harm, but he's in the field of battle, gone in his uniform. Since he's in the field of battle, his foes he does defy, like a ruling king of honor, he fought in the war of Troy. It is 6 long weeks and better since Johnny left the shore. He is crossing the wide ocean where the foaming billows roar. Since he's crossing the wide ocean for honor and for fame, but this I heard, the ship was wrecked on the fatal coast of Spain. Oh, it's when she heard the dreadful news, she flew into despair, with the ringing of her hands and the torn of her hair. blossom grows, and valleys I'll wander for his sake. Oh, it's when he saw her loyalty no longer could he stand. He flew into her arms, saying, Betsy, I'm the man. Sing, Betsy, I'm the young man, the cause of all your pain. But since we've met on Claudy's banks, we shall never part again.